Hi boys and girls, so tomorrow is your test night, all the best for that. Today we'll be talking about how to improve your confidence for your PI, because I'm been getting this message a lot that I'm having little difficulty with my confidence. I'm not able to make proper sentences. I'm having this mother tongue influence. I'm someone who's a native speaker, so English is a little difficult for me and all that. So don't worry, I'm here to help you out today. I will be talking about all the things that you can do to improve yourself quickly for your interviews that might happen, say maximum 1 to 2 months from now. So guys, one thing you need to understand, it's okay if you are an introvert, it's okay if you are shy. You don't need to think that I'll get rejected in a personal interview, because interviewers face all kinds of people every day. So they don't just look at all the extroverts who make amazing conversations, right? They'll have introverts, they'll have shy people, they'll have people who are quiet. They'll have people who just answer to what is being asked and they don't make more conversation. So this is something which is totally fine. Matlab, if you are someone who's not able to make lot of amazing sentences, it's okay, but you need to make sense to the interviewer. You need to be someone who can make the interviewer feel like, yes, this is the guy or girl that I want in my B school. This is the person who will add value to the B school. And how the interviewer's case is through multiple things. So they basically ask 4 types of questions, right? So first thing, they'll ask the HR questions, then they'll ask your work ex related questions, then they'll ask your academic related questions, then they'll ask all your GK, current affairs, and all these kind of questions. So bracket these 4 things, okay, and be confident about, say, 10 major facts about all of this. And how do you be confident? Talk to random people. Okay, this might sound as difficult to you, because it is something that if you are a person who's not generally confident would never do. But this is not the time to think about your own comfort zone. This is the time to go improve and kill it. All right, kill it in your interviews. And how do you do that? Talk to people who you don't know anything about and tell one of these concepts every day. Alright, so say you learn something about, say, the farm laws, and say someone in your locality or say your grandparents doesn't know about it. Okay, so go try explaining it to them. Okay, your grandparents are still someone whom you know. Okay, so go to your shopkeeper, go to some locality, go meet random people. I mean, malls aren't open everywhere, but yeah, most of the places it's open. Go to a mall, talk to people. Okay, so even now, like, see, if I'm able to talk to you like this, that is the only reason, right? So I should talk to a lot of strangers, not like I was born this way. So even I had to put a lot of efforts to try to gain confidence, try to talk to people and all that. Okay, so even you should work in this direction. Try to explain it in simple terms, like how you would explain to a 5-year-old kid. So think in this way, explain things to people. If you are still having more difficulties, try to talk in front of a mirror and look at your facial expressions, look at your body language and all that. And that way what will happen is your body language slowly starts increasing, your confidence slowly starts increasing, your body language improves drastically. And your interview panel will be definitely seeing that change. Alright, so if you are someone who's taking mock interviews with us also, so we give all these tips to students, and we can see from the first interview where they were the shy kid who cannot answer anything, to going and cracking, say, Go Institute of Management or say XLRI interview or any of these top interviews. That is a major change, that is a major chunk, that's an amazing thing for us. Okay, and we are somewhere putting that small amount of extra effort and then pushing these people, and that is what you also need to put. You need to put that extra effort. And how you can do that is only through practice. And this is something that you hear a lot, but here I am telling you for the specific thing, because confidence is something that you get from a lot of mocks, a lot of mock PIs that you can give, and through this you will definitely improve. Okay, so that's it from our end. And if you are still not prepared, it's okay. Start preparing from today. Okay, I mean, there is no such thing that कल से शुरू करेंगे, आज से शुरू करो and अभी करो, ठीक है? So that's it from our end. So this is the small 2-3 things. If you do, your confidence will definitely improve. All right. So all the best for your interviews coming up, and do let us know what else you want to make videos about. Right. So that's it. Thank you. Suha signing off for Embark.